This is a donkey. It is a farm animal. It looks like a horse, but is shorter than a horse. A donkey can be grey or brown in color. A donkey has a big head with 2 eyes, 2 big ears, and a nose. It has 4 legs and a long, thin tail. Just like horses, donkeys also have hooves. Have you seen a donkey's hooves? They are a special hard covering on its feet. A donkey also has a lot of small rough hair on its neck. This hair has a special name. It is called mane. A horse has a mane too. Have you seen a donkey?